Good morning, Astrolifers. Hi, how are you? So, I am here in Bali doing that retreat. Look at the beautiful setting. And over there, this is where we're going to have breakfast in few minutes. So, yes, so the stars of the week. Well, what is really important that you do, and it's really important that you do it before we actually reach the 18th, is that you use that full moon to actually clear the last things that are blocking you. So it's really important that at home you can still do it today. I know the full moon was on the 13th, 14, depending on where you were in to the world. I'm just going to move and go in a more shadow place, so I don't have the light into my eyes. Yes, so what is really important is that you get everything that you don't need anymore, that you clean it up, because that full moon in Pisces, with the sun obviously in Virgo, excuse me, is all about healing yourself. And it's all about harmony and being nice and smooth and the way you are going to be blending into the world. So just do that. What we did with my group last night and the night before was that we actually wrote down on a list pieces of paper what didn't serve us anymore. And then we went and we just lit it up in fire, saying, we don't want it anymore, it's blocking us, it's not good for us, we don't want to take it into our future, so please let it burn and let's get rid of it. So if you can do the same at home, it would be really, really good. The reason why is because after that, on the 18th, we are going to have extremely good stars, and one of them is Saturn. Saturn is finally going to be moving forwards, so we've been waiting for that for a long time. So that means that with that beautiful new moon that is going to be coming on the 28th, you are going to be able to set up your intentions, because Saturn is the planet of longevity, but also of making things happen into the real. Like it's linked with the Capricorn, so it's really down on the ground. Hi everyone. Hi Alicia. Hey, we have to catch up. You are in Bali as well. And yeah, Alicia is a beautiful friend of mine. I knew with who she would be compatible, and now she's married, having two beautiful little kids, and in Bali in the same time as I. And yeah, so happy for her. She's a beautiful person, and beautiful marriage and life, and two beautiful children as well. So yes, so the thing is that you want to be now cleaning up with everything that you don't want into your life. And yes, that can be patterns, that can be blockage that you've done to yourself. It can be people that have been blocking you, thoughts that have been blocking you, situations that have been blocking you. You just want to say, okay, this, I don't want it anymore, it doesn't serve me. You take it, you burn it, and you get rid of it, and you don't want it into your life anymore. Because you remember, you are the person that is the center, you are the one that is creating the life that you want, so you have to make sure that it comes from within. So get rid of that, and from the 18th, with Saturn moving forward in the concrete, in the reality, taking the distance, because Saturn goes until the end of your life, right? So that's why it's so important. And remember, we've got Uranus that is in Taurus, in an earth sign. We are going to have Jupiter, the planet of luck, in December, going into an earth sign as well, in Capricorn actually as well. And we've just had all that bridge going on into Virgo, with all that beautiful path going for you the way you want to make it happen again into the concrete. But not everything was ready yet, simply because we needed Saturn to be, you know, in the party. It was here, it was helping the sun, it was helping a lot of other planets, but it was not moving forwards yet. So not taking your projects exactly where you wanted. So there's still this little bit of cleaning with that last full moon. Of course, that's why I'm here in Bali, and that's what I'm doing with all these beautiful women. I'm getting rid of all these patterns, all this bad stuff that I don't need anymore. Today we are going to go to the temple to actually finish the wash and what we have to do with the cleaning. And then from that point, we are going to be able to move forwards. So because we're doing meditations here, we're doing cleansing with the food that Elsa is cooking, which is an awesome food. I mean, it's just absolutely incredible. It's just giving you everything that we need to nourish our body and our souls. And also, obviously, we are doing all this meditation. And today we are going to go into temple where there is all these fountains where we will be cleaning up the way we need to clean up. So yes, so what you need to do is that you need to be able to clean up, not having anything that is going to block you, and you're going to, after that, write some intentions. I strongly suggest that you write quite a few intentions of what you want to do. And no, it's not just about career, and it's not just about having, something that you're going to be launching or a product and stuff like that, that you've already started to do it, and all that is good. I'm more talking about what you want into your life until the end, because with Saturn the way it is, and because of the place that it has in Capricorn, which Saturn is Capricorn and Capricorn is Saturn, I really want you to kind of go saying what you want to achieve until the end of your life. So write a list. First until the 18th, don't write that list, okay? Just to make sure. This week, before we reach the 18, you write that list. Today will be good because, obviously the day we are 17, but time goes so fast when you are busy and having a good time. So, yes, today, for those who didn't do it, write the list that you don't want anymore. Write all the blockage that you have, and sometimes it can be your own blockage. You can be your worst enemy sometimes because of the thoughts, of the way you've been educated, or people telling you since you were little, no, you can't, no, you can't, no, you can't. Well, all that is not true, okay? You can, completely you can. You can transform your life. You can do whatever you want in life. Nobody has the power to stop you. If you want to make it happen, you just say, okay, no, from now on, that's what I'm going to be doing. But that's going to be the next stage from the 18th, and we will work on that mindset, and I will do another video. But for the moment, you write down all the things that you don't want anymore, and tonight, when you are back at home, or today if you don't work, you just light it up, you just say, okay, it's gone, it's no longer with me, and I don't need it and I don't want it. So you do that. And then from the 18th onwards, and obviously it's going to go up and up and up because the new moon is on the 28th, so the power is going to be rising up. I want you to put onto another list as many things as you want to do into your life. For my clients here, I'm asking them to do many, 101 to be exact. And you're going to say, wow, that's a lot of things. Well, no, not really, if you think about it. So that can include anything. It can include, I want to be loved. I want to have a pony. I want to be able to jump from a parachute. I want once to go scuba diving. And if you think about it, 101 things is not that much until the end of our life. And that is actually going to give you some goals. And when you have goals in life, you actually live a longer life. And I know that those intentions actually could help you to have a longer life, simply because Saturn is linked with longevity, okay? So as long as you have things that you want to achieve, you're like, whoa, hang on, I haven't done my 101 things yet. I still have plenty of things that I want to do, and this and that. Because you need to have goals, you need to be set up, you need to be able to see it to actually be able to reach it. So now it's more talking about your life and longevity. And we're not talking about just business here, and just making sure that you understand that it's really what you want to have done into your life. So please write that down. From the 18th, when we will be with Saturn, I've already asked my girls to start working on it, just simply because we are here only for 1 week. But you just work on it at home. Just say, okay, this is it. And please have that list ready after the 18th. And I will do another video, probably tomorrow or maybe the day after, just to make sure we are in it. And we will talk about longevity and mindset. And from that point, we are going to make you sure that you are ready. Because remember, in the Rite of Metal, we are going to be starting a new cycle as well. It will be starting from the pig, which is the last animal. So you need to be ready, because it's going to be full speed. 2020 and 2021 are going to be really full speed. Even the economy is going to go up. The world of finances in 2020 and the world of the real estate, the building in 2021 is also going to be going better and booming. So you need to be ready, and you need to have done everything, set up, cleaned up, started your new projects like you did with the bridge and everything. All that is to make sure that you are ready to keep on moving on and having the best time of the next years coming up. So remember, Uranus is linked with the 7 years. You are putting all those things that you did last week and started for the next 7 years, but now we are talking even a step further from the 18th. We are talking about things that you want to set up until the end of your life, and think as many things as you... I'm saying 101. You've got 300 things, go for it. I mean, the longer, the better. I'm just saying 101 because it's a number that goes back to 11. I love 11, and 11 is the number of the angels. But if you want 300, 400, 1,000, 1,100, that would be an 11 as well. Go for it. Yeah, making sure that you have always things that you want to do and achieve into this life, and that make you happy, you know, or give you what you need into your life, because it's very, very important to have those things, and then you will tick them as you go, and that is something that will also help you to celebrate your life and to be happy about your life, because it's important to be proud and happy, you know, about your life. It's really warm here. Not sure what the weather is in on the Gold Coast or in Australia, but here it's nice and warm. Or just nice, not too hot, just perfect actually. Okay, I see you guys very soon. I'll do a video or tomorrow or the day after, and we will be working on mindset and how to move forward from now on. Take care, everyone. Ciao, ciao, bye.